Yeah, it was a very important 3 points. First half was relatively even. I felt maybe we shaded the chances, but Fflint caused us a lot of problems, and fair play to them. I thought they were good first half. Second half, I thought we were excellent, and I felt like it was one-way traffic second half, and that it was a fair result in the end. But I have to say, I thought Fflint were excellent at times.
Felt first half we had them where we needed them to be. It was, I would say, the top of the league, and you couldn't tell the difference between the two teams in the first half. Especially without Veners and Rafael in the team, I thought it was a good opportunity that we could have got something out of the game, especially after the back of the result against Britain Ferry. But they ground us down, they found a way, and it's just disappointing because they've had 3 shots on target. I know they missed the penalty late on, but first half we laid a glove on. I think second half we just dropped a little bit too deep. And you could feel it coming in terms of not being brave and try and play out, and then we started to go a bit long, but then the midfield then are dropping into the back three, and you're giving them space then to midfield to pick up the second ball. So that was the disappointing part for me, is that if we are going to be this brave team, we want to play out and be on the front foot, then just let's do it for 90 minutes. Let's not doing it for 60 minutes, and then as soon as a bit of pressure comes, drop on. So that's the question we ask the players: is stick to what we've been training with and what we're working to, and you'll be fine in this league.
A dy gyfraniad i yn allweddol i'r fuddugoliaeth heddiw. Nes ti daro hwnna dda?
Ie, dde'n teimlad da. Ges i'n cwbl o wythnosau yn ôl yn erbyn Haverfordwest yn y cwpan ar troed chwith fi. Ac oedd e just yn debyg, really, i'r un peth, just trio cael y rownd y defender, cael y mewn i'r rwyd, really.
Da ni bron o bod treian a ffordd mewn i'r tymor rwan. Da chi ar y frig y tabl, wedi curo yr pencampwyr wsos dwytha. Da chi wirioneddol yn mynd amdani, mae'n gyfle da i chi ennill i gynghreirys?
Wel, i fi, obviously mae chwaraewyr jyst yn mynd i dweud yr un peth. I fi, mae rhaid cymryd pob gêm. Mae pawb yn mynd i dweud pob gêm un ar ôl y llall, really, just llygad ar y gêm nesaf, really. Wrth gwrs, dyn ni'n mynd i trio ennill pob gêm, fel y gwelwch chi yn erbyn TNS, yn ni'n trio ennill yn erbyn Britain Ferry a heddiw. So, bydd ni'n mynd mewn i pob gêm trio ennill, a wedyn gweld ble mae'n mynd i'n dod diwedd y tymor, really.
It was first against 10th today, but as you said, it was a pretty tight game. It's a really tight league this year.
Yeah, it's you've got to look at Britain Ferry. Everybody's writing them off, everybody's writing us off. Everybody's writing Aberystwyth off. And then Britain Ferry go and beat Pen-y-bont. We beat Haverfordwest the other week. Anyone can beat anyone, and if you underestimate or undermine any teams in this league, including the bottoms or to the top, you get yourself found wanting. And we won't be that way. We'll just keep going and start the run again now. So hopefully it starts Friday.
10 games in now, with 3 points clear at the top. I think it's fair to say at this point you really are title contenders. If you are going to win the title, grinding out results like today is really important.
I don't think we're title contenders. I think there's only one title contender, and I don't want to heap pressure on them, but TNS are just a superb outfit, and it's very difficult for any of us to compete other than on the odd night. But obviously we're going to fight. We'll stay at the top as long as we can, obviously, and keep fighting for that second spot, which is our ultimate goal, as long as it's realistic. We had a tough night Tuesday night, really difficult. Fair play to Britain Ferry, I thought they were excellent on the night. And then we woke up Wednesday morning, we were top of the league. So, you just got to realise that we're doing okay despite the fact that we had one bad night. And then obviously before today's game, we were still going to be top, even if we lost today. So, we're doing okay, and we can't be too down on ourselves despite the fact that we were disappointed with Tuesday.